Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start with the essentials. Move to a professional account, enable two-factor authentication, and confirm your payment country. Once done, verify your identity with a government ID and, if possible, connect a Facebook page to unlock more features. Make sure your email and phone are current so Instagram can contact you about payouts. Begin creating a content plan focused on Reels and original video because platform signals engagement. Doing these first sets a trackable baseline. Next, focus on signals that Instagram measures. You should post original Reels consistently. Aim for 3 to 5 per week for at least 30 days. Once done, the algorithm registers steady activity. Make sure to engage. Reply to every comment early, use clear calls to action, and schedule lives to boost watch time. Also cross-promote to related platforms and use targeted hashtags so the right viewers find you. This increases retention and follower quality, which matters more than raw follower counts. Finally, confirm you meet the eligibility thresholds in your professional dashboard. Then submit the monetization application and link a valid payout method such as a bank account or payment service. Once submitted, monitor insights daily for watch time and revenue-eligible content performance and optimize based on trends. If approval is delayed or denied, review account quality and recent content for policy violations. As a troubleshooting tip, remove any flagged posts and reapply after 72 hours with documentation of fixes to resolve automated rejections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.